Hello and welcome to Ling's Triumph Ipswich. My name is Tom and today I bring you fantastic Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. This bike has had 2 previous keepers, has only done 9,700 miles. 12 months MOT will be given upon sale of this bike, as will it have 3 months warranty. The bike also features a number of accessories such as EVTech crash protection on either side of the engine, the EVTech levers on the front brake and clutch, as well as the Aprilia engine protection. You don't see many of these factories available, and obviously they feature a number of quality of upgrades versus the standard models, such as the Olean suspension and the APRC functionality. If you'd like to know more, check out our bikes online at lings.com. Give us a call on 01473 272789. Come into a showroom and have a look at what bikes we have on offer. Look forward to speaking to you soon and hope you enjoyed. Cheers.